All right, so welcome to Workshop Studios, and today's project is replace yet another pressure regulating valve. And here's our replacement valve, hopefully. You can see a picture there, and that looks pretty much like that one. Just FYI, I am here in a crawl space, you can see, and there's the doorway over there. And I have to crawl over here, and there's a little trick if you want. These are the mixing tubs, this thing here. These are concrete mixing tubs, and they're pretty cheap. You can buy them at the big box stores, but they make a great thing to slide in to the crawl space. You can pile all your goodies in there, and that you don't have to try and put a bucket together or something so you can get under low spots like I have to crawl under that ductwork there. Anyhow, let's get started, and we'll see what this looks like. Okay, so I'm going to get started because this is a great match. Let me show you. There we go. You can see really pretty much the same valve, which is great. And the water's off. That's this valve here. So now I'm going to unscrew those. There'll probably be a little leakage out of them, but because the water's off, it shouldn't be too bad. I'll try not to bump into it here. Oops. Hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. Yeah, good. All right, so I'm going to take the union off first. That's this one here, and that just screws like that. But I don't want to turn the pipes if I can help it, so best to put a wrench to turn against like that. There we go, good. Loosened right up. So let me speed some of this up. So this is loose now. That means that this valve can now turn. So if I can pull these apart here, I'll show you. Okay. Tried to minimize that, but there you go. You can't do that completely. Some water's going to leak out. Okay, now I'm going to turn this one up here, which means that I got to hold on to this one here. And turn this one here like this. There we go. Good. There's the old valve off. So this one's a little different. This one wants to have a screw down here, which this doesn't have, I don't think. This one looks like it's soldered on there. Yes, that is soldered on there. So now the question is, can I get these two to mate together? I hope I can. Okay, I think that's tight enough. Now, the O-ring is in there. I'm going to put a little grease on that. those two together. There we go. And then I'm going to put a little more tape on this one here. This just makes it so that both it's waterproof, although that's not as critical here, but it also makes it so that it will come apart easier next time this has to be done. All right, so water's back on. We checked the pressure. It was right at a little below 60, which is perfect because we want the pressure somewhere between 50 and 80. So 60 is a good number. We turned this nut in a little bit. Right there, that nut right there. And raised the pressure up a little higher so it was just above 60 a little bit. So it gives good water pressure and it's holding steady. So I think we got job done. Another pressure regulator valve installed safely. There was one hiccup, is that this one is a soldered on joint for that union, so I had to leave the old union bottom part in place because the one that I bought had a screw on. But that's all right, it worked fine, everything fit. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Bye.